Maizie, where'd you go? Maizie. Maizie. Oh, you're way down there. How can I do a video with you if you're not with me? Hey. How can I do a video with you if you're not with me? All right, I have no idea where I'm going. Maisie said just follow her. So that's what I'm doing. Hey, sweetie, I'm just following you. I have no idea where you're going. Now, this isn't the path I take when I go down to Dalvey corner.
Where you walk?
I go up to, there's another one down there a ways that I take.
Going there?
Yeah, you go down up the road and then down. It comes out by that shop.
Okay. I don't know that one.
Oh, maybe this is the one. You know what? Now that I look upon it, I think this is the one I take. Ah, I usually come the other way. I'd never come this way. So that's why I'm lost. You understand? Yeah, this is the right path. Yeah, I see that now. I don't know why I had in my mind it was up the hill farther. Yeah, this is the part I take, but I never take it in this direction. I always go the other way. I was thinking it was around in here somewhere where Lucy was working.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's a nice veranda up on that house. Wow. Look at how big it is. Hey? Huh? Oh boy, somebody's building a house up here too.
Oh, I'm so hot. I'm gonna say, why is so loose?
Oh, I thought he was working on a road. Oh, that might be right there.
I think he's there, yeah. They will cast
okay.
They're casting this on you.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Leave it go. I'm gonna get some too. You gotta take my picture though.
At the standpipe.
Okay, so that must be where Lucy was working then, huh? I don't know why I had it in my mind he was working on a road. Maybe you were just describing the location by referring to the road.
I said on the right hand side as you come.
That must be where. Yeah, that must be where. Yeah, I love that veranda. That's nice. Look at that plant.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's funny.
Yeah. Huh. It's been chewed on by goats and stuff, but it's pretty.
Mauve, purple.
Yeah. Yeah, really beautiful.
Is that rose?
I don't know what it is. No?
These are hibiscus.
I don't know what it is, sweetie. But it's really beautiful, you know? Oh, look at the big breadfruit back there and the ackee. Here, I'll catch up to you. We can do a little video of our walk Walking all over the neighborhood. Look how I'm wetted up, so. Whoop, look out for that hot rodder. Maybe when the grass is harder to trim with your machete. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. And they left this purple one right here too, which is kind of pretty.
Yes, it's them call it cool.
That's real pretty.
That's nice.
Yeah. So many pretty plants, you know, if you just take a minute and kind of look up on them. Hello. You know?
Some little one coming up here.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Even this pretty. This?
Oh, yeah.
It's like cool.
But it's got red.
Yeah.
There's another one of these, like what you're talking about right here. And then these kind of have red underneath them. And
yeah, people grow them in the flowers.
This looks fresh here where they chop this out.
And chop off the head, then you chop it.
Huh?
Then just chop off the head, then you chop it.
Yeah, yeah. Well, it's been a nice walk. We've covered a good distance.
Yeah.
And it's a nice day for it too. It's not very hot, you know. So yeah, this one's got some sort of a bloom on it. That's pretty. That's really pretty. It may just be a weed of some sort, but it's really pretty. There's some pumpkin growing. Wild.
You want to buy a bird?
Yeah. Yeah, I guess if I'm going to eat before next Sunday, I better get some bread. Boy, look at that. What kind of duck is that? Man, that's an ugly duck. Huh? Well, we got home from our big walk, and Paul's expanding the garden for Maizie. Going to expand it here, so Maizie can plant some more stuff.